fate? Well, frankly, nothing, but fortunately we're a tad bit more prepared. The scary story of an asteroid killing the dinosaurs is well known, but it's also well known that asteroid hits are fairly common on Earth, with most disintegrating in the atmosphere before ever touching the Earth's surface. But then again, the universe hasn't been throwing life-ending boulders at us every day. Apophis could be one such catastrophic, paradigm-shifting event if it manages to make contact. Initial reports claim that the probability of it hitting Earth is extremely low, but then again, how close is too close? There might be some things that NASA just isn't telling us. Welcome to Factnominal, and today we take a look at what our chances really are against asteroid Apophis in 2029. Asteroids are believed to be the remnants of the early formation of the solar system. These planetary leftovers, or minor planets, have no atmosphere of their own, but they do in fact orbit the Sun. They're of course not to be confused with the meteors, which are the tiny pebble-sized things that enter the Earth's atmosphere and burn up, or if they make it to the Earth's surface, are called meteorites. Most of the known asteroids in our solar system can be found in the region between Mars and Jupiter, the asteroid belt. However, not all asteroids like to hang around there, with some preferring to venture out into other locations around the solar system. For example, some asteroids like to orbit the Sun in a path that brings them closer and closer to our home planet. Sure, it's all fun and games when it comes to these floating space rocks, that is, until they get too close to Earth.
International space agencies, including the European Space Agency and NASA, are involved in a cover-up of the potential for Apophis to strike the Earth Friday the 13th, April 2029. So I believe that in 9 years from now, it is more likely than not that Apophis is going to make impact on the Earth.
As far as astronomers know, there are currently 27,000 asteroids in near-Earth orbits right now, and these are only the ones that we know of. These asteroids were likely knocked out of the main asteroid belt, attracted by the gravity of the neighboring planets, bringing them within a distance of around 4.6 million miles or 7.5 million kilometers of the Earth's orbit around the Sun. As far away as that sounds, don't get too comfortable just yet. Asteroids vary in size from as tiny as 6 feet in diameter, like the oldest ever found, 2015 TC25, or as humongous as Ceres, the now reclassified dwarf planet that's equal to about 1/4 the size of our Moon. Many asteroids have hit Earth in the past, and more are expected to crash into our planet in the future. This is what makes 99942 Apophis such an object of interest, as it has been fated to hit planet Earth on Friday, April 13th, 2029. Looks like asteroid Apophis might soon be stealing Jason's thunder, making it yet another Friday the 13th for us to worry about. On the evening of June 19, 2004, astronomers at Kitt Peak National Observatory near Tucson, Arizona discovered Apophis. The team consisted of astronomers Dave Tholen, Fabrizio Bernardo, and Roy Tucker. They were searching for asteroids low in the western sky. You know, just everyday astronomer things. They stumbled upon the asteroid and found it to be positioned unusually closer to the Sun than your average asteroid. This, of course, piqued their interest, and they quickly discovered how different it was compared to what they were normally used to. Calculations later revealed that the asteroid had a solid chance of hitting Earth in April 2029 on Friday the 13th, and almost immediately, Apophis, named after the Egyptian god of destruction, was moved to the top of the list of potentially hazardous asteroids. Quite the achievement for Apophis, the asteroid now garnering worldwide attention, and along with it, widespread media frenzy, speculation, and conspiracy theories, claiming it will bring the end of the world as we know it. Ever since its discovery, the notorious asteroid Apophis has been a cause for concern among scientists and astronomers. The main cause of concern, not only is it extremely close to Earth, it's also incredibly big. The asteroid measures in at 370 meters or 1,210 feet wide. That's nearly 4 times larger than NASA's Artemis 1 rocket. The thought of an asteroid of this size coming as close as 20,000 miles to Earth has scientists concerned. But if it's not directly hitting Earth, why even bother? Well, the problem lies in the fact that an asteroid passing at such a close distance can easily be attracted towards the Earth due to gravity. Many asteroids have entered the Earth's atmosphere in the same manner, but have had little to no effect. But when you have an asteroid of this size, it's reasonable to be worried. An asteroid weighing nearly 20 million tons passing by really close to Earth, yeah, that's definitely something to be watching out for. If an asteroid that size were to ever hit planet Earth, the results could be catastrophic. Studies show that if the asteroid hit us, it could cause widespread destruction several hundreds of kilometers from the site of impact. The energy released would be equal to more than 1,000 megatons of TNT, equivalent to hundreds of nuclear weapons. In short, absolute devastation. Despite the fact that several researchers and NASA themselves have claimed that we don't need to be worried and that Apophis will simply serve as space eye candy as it passes by us in 2029, it does seem like there's more at play here. NASA's OSIRIS-REx, after delivering extraterrestrial samples to Earth in 2023, will embark on an extended mission to this planet-threatening space rock. If there's truly only a 2.7% chance that the asteroid might hit planet Earth, then why is the agency showing so much interest in it? The announcement of the extended mission sure does raise a few eyebrows, and we can only hope to see what they're able to unravel about the Great Apophis. Ever since the initial frenzy that the possible collision in 2029 could destroy Earth came out, scientists and research teams, along with space agencies like NASA and the ESA, have been working tirelessly to study and gain more accurate information about the exact location and positioning of the asteroid in order to make more accurate predictions. They've since ruled out the possibility of a collision in 2029, and even all the way up to the year 2036, though some say that it will have an even closer encounter with Earth in 2068. David Farnokia of the Jet Propulsion Laboratory stated, "When I started working with asteroids after college, Apophis was the poster child for hazardous asteroids. With the sport of optical observations and additional radar observations, the uncertainty of Apophis orbit has collapsed from hundreds of kilometers to just a handful of kilometers." NASA has since stated that there's no reason to believe that Apophis will be colliding with Earth anytime soon, or at least for another 100 years as far as they predict. But then again, predictions can be wrong. Even with a low probability of it hitting the Earth, it will pass by very, very close to us. If you happen to find yourself in the Eastern Hemisphere, especially in countries like India or China, you'll be able to watch it zoom past in the sky with your naked eye. Also, in parts of Europe, Australia, and Africa, you'll be able to catch a glimpse of this spectacular event. So, for now, it seems like we must take NASA's word for it that humanity won't be ending because of Apophis in 7 years' time. But come 2068, there's no telling how much its orbit will change, and it could head straight for the Earth. For the next few decades, all eyes will continue to be on Apophis, and it will remain as one of the most notorious asteroids to watch out for. So, what are your thoughts? Will Apophis hit Earth in 2029 or 2068? And just how bad will the damage be? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss another video from us. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.